Lanak, you can use the pink one. Okay? That's baby Celine's now. Remember the one that you've been using?
Which one?
The pink one. In the bath. The pink Mickey Mouse.
I'll use it.
Huh?
I can use it. For the space wings.
Yeah. You just borrow from her? You just borrow from her? Ask. It's like, baby Celine, can I borrow your bath?
Yes, you can buy your bath.
Please?
It's just everything you say.
Yeah.
And then Celine said, yes, you can. I said, yes. Then she said, yeah, of course I can use my bath with you.
Okay. Is that what she said?
We're going to go together.
Oh, you can go together. That's right. It's a great idea.
Macy will go, and I will go. I'm just going to do my turn the bed.
Your turn next, okay?
My,
Yes.
I want to go.
Is your Facebook?
Yeah.
I want to go with Basically in the bath.
You
She's
can
not
only,
ready for that yet. Nah.
you can only go one at a time. You can't.
See, because the bath is so tiny, eh? Can you see? Hello, sweetheart.
Who's a big girl in the bath?
Hi.
Who loves her bath?
Her first time in the big bath.
Yeah.
Diddy.
Yes, she loves the bath.
Brother, boop. You have out your hair. Oh, I will make you a Barbie hair with my magic wand.
Tigulan mo kay kanak.
Brother,
Careful,
boop.
Careful, don't hit baby Celine's head.
It's not the magic wand. It's my
It's your hairbrush.
It's my hairbrush. It's not my magic wand. On my Peppa Pig magic wand with buttons.
With buttons.
Yeah.
Okay. Daddy, heart. Daddy, accept her. Accept her heart. Little thing. Ayaw kasi bigyan ni Daddy ng ano, guys. Kasi sabi ni Daddy, pakain sa kanya yung dinner niya. Before siya bigyan ng lollies. She pulled out the heart. Sabi niya, ganun sa kanyang kamay. Ay, nag-soften ang kanyang daddy. Good morning. What did you have for breakfast, Paris? Yogurt and? Just yogurt? Whoa, 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 whoa. Good morning, my little princess. So be careful di anak, ha? Tigulang na ba ka di anak? Ayaw pag surang-surang nga si madam.
It's not my leg. It's like my leg.
Yeah, she's touching your leg, see?
It's like my leg.
Yeah.
I basically like my leg.
She loves your leg. Do you love your sister, Paris?
Yes, it's like my hand and my feet.
Oh, she like your hand and your feet?
Yeah.
You make sure you're being gentle with her, okay? Paris Nicole?
His love, I told you.
Ay, shush, nagdul. Ay, manaang dalagang gamay. Balok na ko, she's got milk out of her mouth. Ay, shush! You just kiss her. Okay, you sing for her when she cries, okay? Mama will get a cloth. Well done, Barbie. You're a beautiful Barbie. You're a beautiful Barbie, anak. Pagawa ako ng kape kay Daddy Mike kasi hinahawakan ko itong ating bulilit maliliit.
In the Barbie world. Listen.
Yes.
This is my Barbie.
Yeah, put it on your hair. Do you know how to do it? Very noisy again, guys. Super
I'm a Barbie girl.
burak ang ating
Barbie world.
heater. Super cold. Sige, do it.
This is my Barbie hair.
I'm a Barbie girl.
But this is my happy. This is my Barbie happy.
Yeah.
I have pink color for this. A rainbow one, heart one. And this. You forgot to.
No, that was you, not me.
No.
You forgot. Alright, take care, ha?
Go.
The Paris. Look at Mommy B. Wow.
Say bye.
I'm a Barbie girl, sa kajut.
I'm a Barbie girl in the Barbie world.
Everywhere. Life is...
Come on, Barbie, yes. Yes. Come on, Barbie, yes. Woo.
Ooh, kiss Mama B. Kiss Mama.
Come on, Barbie, yes.
Kiss Mama.
Yeah. Come on, Barbie.
You take care, okay?
A few moments later.
Ganito to siya, guys, sa pagbihisan. Oh! Gutom ang baby. Gutom ang baby. Ooh. Yes. We'll just change the nappy and we'll have a shower when Daddy comes back. Ah. Okay, Mama will be quick. We'll have Didi again. Oh. That's right. Okay. Relax na yan. Relax na yung bata na yan. Kaya nakadidi na. Aww. You okay, anak? Nakadidi naman ang baby. Not crying anymore. Ayan. Pag uwi ni daddy niya, tsaka na Ate Paris, magbabath. Ito siya. Oh. Sobrang hate niya talaga pag binibihisan siya. Anak, no? I understand you, anak. Hiccup. Uy. Siklo, anak. Where are you going?
I'm just going to the nose and I'll come back to you and I'll come to you.
Ano sa daw? Ano sabi niya? I'll come back to you, daw? Kakarating lang nila. Ano mo? Balis. Andito ang isa. Binaba ko yung blind. Oh, ayun na. I'm making something. It's making noise. Masad niya itong salog eh. I'm gonna have this one, guys. Seafood jambong ramen. The water is boiling. Parcel, what are you doing? What are you doing? tingnan niyo ang nanay guys, oh. Ang buhok ay nakaganyan pa. Anong oras na at ano pa tayo ang tawag? Naka-dressing gown pa tayo.
Lipstick.
Lipstick. Uy, anak, where did you get that from?
I don't know.
I don't know, kakaroon.
Those are pretty.
GGSS yun, oh. Gandang-ganda sa sarili, oh.
Oh, so pretty. Eat the biscuit.
Which biscuit?
Like the one, like the rectangle. Rectangle.
A rectangle?
It's rectangle.
You don't like the round one?
It's like the one.
Hinahanap niya kasi sabi niya, gusto daw niya yung rectangle na biscuit. I think she's talking about Skyflakes. Was that Skyflakes na?
No, there are
Baby girl.
the rectangle biscuits.
A rectangle biscuit. We have to go to the Filipino shop for that.
A few moments later.
Time check. Hi guys. It's now 4 o'clock ng hapon. And ang sarap sa pakiramdam guys. Nakaligo ba? Tingnan niyo, oh. Yung nabasa talaga yung buhok. Kasi bath lang kasi ako for the last ito couple of days. And alam niyo kung bakit ako nakaligo kasi tingnan niyo ang ating ate ay nakakulog sa couch. Tapos, dito na side, ang ating Daddy Mike ay hinawakan ang kanyang isang prinsesa. Ngayon, oh. She loves being touched. Grabe. Kapag nilagay mo sa... Si Paris kasi hindi ganyan, guys. Paris before, I can just put her down and she will just, chill. Ito siya, kailangan may touch, ganyan. So where do you think she got that from, Daddy?
Daddy likes to be touched somewhere special.
She loves her milk.
So does Daddy.
Tignan niyo ang kanyang mukha, guys, na gano'n na nagpiling na.
A few moments later.
Nagising na.
Oh, it's a pencil.
Is that Rapunzel?
You can sign.
Nene.
You can sign
Where did you get that one, Nak?
from the camera.
Kakagising lang yan ni Ate Paris. Pero itong isa. Ayan. Tingnan nyo. Oh, tulog na tulog pa ang ating siya. Have a look at baby CELINE ako. Sleeping mo na mong little girl. Hindi pa namin na naliguan. Yan yung plano. Huh?
Want to give little girl a shower?
Yeah, I'll change her bum. I'll wake her first.
We're gonna give CELINE a bath.
What?
I want to help. Access to the wing feet.
Are you going to help Mommy and Daddy?
Yeah, I'm starting to.
Put
Too
this on.
hard.
Put your beanie on.
Frozen happy. Good.
Oh, what's that face for?
My
Hello, sweetie girl.
mommy.
Yes, anak.
Where's my frozen? Okay.
It's somewhere, anak.
Oh,
Hello.
here's one.
Good evening, my love. Good evening, baby
I
girl.
have blue in this one.
Hey, honey, we have to go have a bath. have a bath.
Mine.
Palangga si mama eh. Tingnan niyo oh. Oh, oh, oh.
Mommy,
Yes, anak.
this is purple.
Purple? Should Tito your hairbrush? Wow. Where did you get that from?
Shops.
Oh, the shop. You brush baby Celine's hair, ha? When it's long. You have long hair na? Or you upaw-upaw ka? Uy! Uy! Is that you, anak? Palangga mo na sa mama eh.
He's not crying.
She's not crying. Talk to baby Celine. Talk na. Talk. Look, she's sleeping again now. Tell her we're having a shower, a bath, baby Celine.
Mom, it's Sarah on the bed, baby.
Uy! We're having a bath, baby Celine. Lanak, you can use that pink one. Okay? That's baby Celine's now. Remember the one that you've been using?
Which one?
The pink one. The bath. The pink Mickey Mouse.
I'll use it.
Huh?
I can use it.
Mm-hmm.
Or the space lanes.
Yeah, that's right. You can use it, but it's baby Celine's, yeah? You just borrow from her. You just borrow from her. Ask, say, baby Celine, can I borrow your bath?
Let's see, can buy you back.
Please?
Let's see, something to say.
Yeah.
And then Celine said, yes, you can. I said, yes. Then she said, yeah, of course I can use my bath, maybe.
Okay. Is that what she said?
We're going to go together.
Oh, you can go together. That's right. It's a great idea.
Macy will go, and I will go.
That's right. The two of you can have a bath. See? She awakes. She's still sleeping.
I'm doing share a toys. She said yes again.
She said yes? You gonna play together?
Okay.
Good job.
A few moments later.
Yeah, Paris.
Oh, want the mix?
You're mixing it. Is it warm now?
This one.
It's not hot?
I keep doing touch.
Yeah.
I get touch, don't put your phone.
What do you think? You tell me. Is it warm or is it cold?
I can put your phone there.
Okay, I'll put my phone in there and I can touch. Alright, are you ready, sweetie?
Your first bath.
Are you excited for
I
your
was-
first
I was-
bath?
Need help with mommy.
Yes, I will wash her.
You'll wash her?
Squeeze it so it doesn't go in Celine's eyes, the water. Okay, now you can do it.
Well done, at Paris.
Softly. Open it up and do softly.
Baby Celine likes it.
Yeah, like that.
You see the face?
Wow, well done, Paris.
I just want to do my
Show her face.
You help her.
Come. Did he hear? Oh.
Wash the legs.
Oh. You don't have to use that one. Just use your hand.
That's a good girl, Paris. You're doing really well.
I just want to do my turn the bed.
Your turn next, okay?
My,
Yes.
I want to go.
Is your face bump?
Yeah.
I want to go with Basically in the bath.
You
She's
can
not
only,
ready for that yet now.
you can only go one at a time. You can't.
See, because the bath is so tiny, yeah? Can you see?
No.
Can you help put some water on Celine with your hands?
Just on the leg?
No, I don't want to.
Please.
Baby Celine loves it.
She really likes
Celine
it.
loves the water.
Be a good big sister, please.
She loves the bath. Now we know one thing that she likes.
Oh, baby.
Hey, what's the pink one like the one purples? where's the
Do you like that, Papa Celine?
Where's the purple one?
Do you like this baby, Celine?
Not on the face na ka.
Okay, I'll do it in the feet.
That's good.
Okay. Your next anak. This baby Celine's not gonna stay here long anyways. Yeah? Someone loves it.
Wash underneath the neck.
We'll have feed after this. Okay? That's not milk yet.
Guys,
Hello, sweetheart.
who's a big girl in the bath?
Hi.
Who loves her bath?
Her first time in the big bath.
Yeah.
Diddy.
Yes, she loves the bath. Tell Tito what you're doing. Look at me.
Say, I'm helping.
Look.
Washing.
Show me.
Ayan, nakabihis na ang ating palangga. Nilagyan ko ng bib kasi nagdulay na sad siya, guys. Now she keeps on spitting up. Nakna? Siklo gani, oh. Oh, did you love your bath, honey? Ate Paris still there. Nandun naman si Daddy Mike. Hmm? Woohoo! Woohoo! Shush! Shush! Lagyan ng ganito para hindi mabasa yung kanyang damit kasi always na lang nag-change pa.
I'm a hairstyle.
Your hairstylist?
I'm the hairstyle. I'm the hair. I'm hairstyle Barbie.
Your hairstyle. Have a look at your face now. Look, ate na kay kanak. Hindi. The other one is here. Oh, we're not gonna show kay Didi. What baby Celine doing now? What's baby Celine doing?
Drinking Didi.
Drinking. Locking hair, guys. Oh, hindi ko sinapain na kayo yan na anak.
Is it hurt?
Yes.
Don't worry, I'm the hairstyle Barbie.
Just brush it. Where's your brush?
No tying.
Hmm?
Tying hair with hair clips.
Where's your hairbrush?
Clip, clip, clip.
Ilong pa rin siya.
Okay, tie. Brother, boop. You have ugly hair. Oh, I will make you a Barbie hair with my magic wand.
Tigulang kay kanak.
Brother,
Careful, huh?
boop.
Careful, don't hit baby Celine's head.
It's not the magic wand. It's my
It's your hairbrush.
It's my hairbrush. It's not my magic wand. On my Peppa Pig magic wand with buttons.
With buttons.
Yeah.
Okay. Gotta sleep now. Lower your voice lagi.
I'm gonna give you sticker. I'll give you a sticker.
Can I sleep in the baby Celine? Wait, don't stick my hand. Sleep, my darling babe.
I'll put away donut
Maganda ang tulog nito ba kasi
for me.
ay sis, kasi nakaligo.
I'm letting you right.
Yeah.
I'm gonna look where you are, mommy.
Look, she's smiling. Look, look at baby Celine smiling. Wait, she looked at the camera. Hello, honey.
It's sleeping.
Good night. You sleep well, okay? I love you. I love you, honey. I love you, my little
Now I'm gonna do a
princess.
hard one. From here, gonna take you from your walking.
A few moments later.
Have a look our baby bulilit. Kasi kakain mo na si Mami. Tingnan niyo, sobrang liit pa niya. Super tiny. Ayan. Ang ating dinner ay ito. Nag-order kami online, guys. Sobrang gutom na ako. Gusto ko kasing mag-soup. Ayan. I-fill natin. I got rice. Got this.
Kara's going to have a big dinner so she can have a lolly bag afterwards.
I have this one.
Give Daddy a heart. Come on. Give Daddy a heart. Come on, so Daddy will give it to you.
Which one?
No,
Give-
it's not getting it. Mum.
Give Daddy a heart. Maybe Daddy give you something. Give Daddy a heart. Daddy, accept her. Accept her heart. Oh, little thing. Ayaw kasi bigyan ni Daddy ng ano, guys. Kasi sabi ni Daddy, pakain sa kanya yung dinner niya. Before siya bigyan ng ano, lollies. She pulled out the heart. Sabi niya, ganun sa kanyang kamay. Ay, nagsoften ang kanyang daddy. Saan kaya niya yung natutunan?
Paris, I'm gonna give you one. I'm gonna give you one little lolly because you didn't eat all of your dinner. So I'm just gonna give you one lolly, okay? Okay.
Is it a lollipop?
No, I'm just gonna give you one because you didn't eat your dinner. Next time, if you eat your dinner, you get a whole lolly bag, okay?
A big one?
But you have to finish next time.
It's later.
Okay. Just say thank you, Daddy. At least you have something.
Thank you.
Good girl. Lucky you pulled that heart thing.
Yeah, you actually.
Kasi nyo guys, so ang aming mga labahin.
That's
We're
fine,
trying
guys.
to segregate ba? Andyan lang.
A big bag with lots of lollies.
Ito, wala nang pakialam.
Not like a lollipop one.
Bahala kayo, mag-ingay kayo dyan.
Now you're only gonna get the small.
Tulog
lollipop.
na ako.
Mum and Dad want to.
Tulog na ako.
Yeah.
We'll all share mine.
Thank you. We can all share. Kinakausap ng kanyang ate, oh. Piyong-piyungan na siyang baby Celine. What are you telling baby Celine?
Christmasing.
Christmas?
Yes.
Did she answer you?
No, he can't talk.
Oh, she can't talk kasi.
Yeah.
Pilipino. Nakmay pa kung ikaw ang mag-istorya sa iyan, nak, magbiyong siya na kung ako kayo. Gusto siya magtutoy.
He's a little bit bigger.
Yeah. She said like, good night, baby Celine.
Good night. My basically late to wake up.
Yeah.
Pero
Magdulay na sad siya, nak. So she's got milk
I
out. Okay, she drink too much milk.
my I
Hmm.
look like fun party.
You look after baby Celine, ha? Okay, you're a big sister.
Yes, and you go to the shops.
Yeah. See, she's looking at you.
I look at
Ikaw kay bigger na
May?
ka, oh. Hawalo kayo, oh. Kalit lang kagtubo, nak ba?
my
Hmm? Hmm?
basically just love to me.
Hmm? She loves you. Yeah, just let her go. She's going to sleep. Ayun na nato ibalhin.
It's over the eyes.
That's right. Give her a kiss. Say good night, baby Celine. Say good night, baby Celine.
Close your eyes.
Sweet dreams.